And now on the line with us is Putaporn Ninwarangkoon, Senior Executive Vice President from Sompo Japan Insurance Thailand. Good afternoon คุณพุทธพรค่ะ
Good afternoon.
ค่ะสวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ คุณพุทธพร how has your company distributed products to compensate on how the flood had taken its toll on the factories in the industrial estates?
I would like to say that this from the industry is vary from company to company. From my company, for example, with our strong financial position and the capacity, we provided the flood coverage by the sub-limit, in addition to the ordinary industrial or risk coverage.
Yes.
Right, and Kun Putaporn, it is reported that the insurance premiums have considerably soared. Now, can you give us an estimate of how much the insurance premium actually went up?
I cannot tell you the exact figure, but as all we know at this moment that in general, premium rate for the flood protection is rather high due to the foreign reinsurers reluctant to provide the capacity because last year there was a huge loss for the flood damage in Thailand.
Right.
Not just only for the household and for the motors, but also mainly for the industrial estates. So at this moment, the flood premium is, I cannot tell you exactly, but it's in the range of the 4 to 6 times. But for some reinsurers, it must be higher than from the previous year.
Right. So since the previous disastrous floods, Kun Putaporn, what are the measures that insurance companies have to prove their customers? Were there any additional conditions to assess?
I would like to say that for how we consider for the flood coverage. Normally the insurance companies will look at several factors, such as the historical loss in the last year, and for the area that is likely to be or to be flooded this year, and also with how those industries they protect themselves, such as the dike construction and the other flood protection preparation from their own. This is put it all together, and the insurance company will consider on case-by-case basis.
Right. And each industrial estate has come up with their own plans to combat the future flooding. Now, in your own perspective, do you think some of these plans have boosted confidence for companies inside the real estates?
I would like to say that the confidence not come from the real estate measurement or the protection themselves, but mainly from the government. Because of the government, starting from the end of last year up until now, the government has established the several measurements, such as they have the plan to prepare for the floodway. And the dams, how would they release the water volume, better water management than last year, and also with the soft loan to the industrial estates. And lately, the government just set up we call the catastrophe fund. That make the confidence to I think not to the industrial estate themselves, but mainly for the reinsurers, because of now the reinsurers, they are reluctant to provide the reinsurance coverage. So if all these plans work together, that might recall the confidence from the foreign reinsurer in particular.
Right.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Kun Putaporn,
for sharing the information.
Goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye.